Hollywood has produced some of the most spine-chilling horror films in cinema history. These movies captivate audiences with their gripping storylines, terrifying visuals, and psychological intensity. The top 5 Hollywood horror movies on this list have left indelible marks on the genre, inspiring countless imitators and maintaining their relevance for decades. 1. The Exorcist. Considered one of the scariest films ever made, The Exorcist follows the harrowing story of a young girl possessed by a demonic entity and the desperate attempts of 2 priests to save her. The movie's intense performances, groundbreaking special effects, and unsettling atmosphere have cemented its status as a horror classic. The film's slow build-up and use of silence create a sense of dread that permeates every scene. The visual and practical effects, including the famous head-spinning scene, were revolutionary for their time. 2. The Shining. Based on Stephen King's novel, The Shining is a psychological horror masterpiece that delves into madness and the supernatural. Jack Torrance, Jack Nicholson, a struggling writer, becomes the winter caretaker of the isolated Overlook Hotel, where he descends into madness as malevolent forces take hold. Jack Nicholson's portrayal of Jack Torrance is one of the most memorable in horror cinema. Kubrick's meticulous direction and use of long tracking shots create a sense of disorientation and unease. The film explores themes of isolation, domestic violence, and historical trauma. 3. A Nightmare on Elm Street. Introducing audiences to the iconic Freddy Krueger, Robert Englund, A Nightmare on Elm Street blurred the lines between dreams and reality. The film follows a group of teenagers haunted by a vengeful spirit who kills them in their sleep. The film's unique concept of dream-based horror was groundbreaking. Freddy Krueger became one of horror's most recognizable and terrifying antagonists. The dream sequences and imaginative kills added a layer of surreal terror. 4. Halloween. Halloween is widely credited with popularizing the slasher genre. The story follows Michael Myers, who escapes from a psychiatric hospital and returns to his hometown to continue a killing spree he began as a child. The film's use of simple yet effective cinematography and score heightens the tension. Michael Myers' emotionless mask and silent demeanor make him a haunting figure. 5. The Conjuring. Based on true events, The Conjuring tells the story of paranormal investigators Ed and Lorraine Warren, Patrick Wilson and Vera Farmiga, as they help a family terrorized by dark forces in their farmhouse. The movie's connection to real-life paranormal investigations adds a layer of authenticity. James Wan masterfully builds tension and delivers genuine scares. The Warrens' strong partnership and compassion for the family make them compelling protagonists. The Conjuring revitalized the haunted house subgenre and spawned a successful cinematic universe.